Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to check the number of cores your processor is using. So without further delay, let's get started. We are going to be using Task Manager to check this. So for you to have access to your Task Manager, you just click on your task bar and you can see we have Task Manager here, or you just click on your start button and right click on it, and then you have Task Manager as well. So just click on the Task Manager, and once it opens, and this is the Task Manager that opens, and as it opens here we have this one here, so we can maximize this, or just go to open navigation. So click on the navigation. As the navigation opens the navigation buttons, so we go to performance. Now under performance you have this here, we have our CPU, memory, disk, and then we have Ethernet. All right, basically what we want to see is the CPU, so the number of cores that our CPU is using. So just click on the CPU, and as the CPU highlighted, and as you can see this is the CPU and the processor is Core i5, and then you have the speed here 2.6. Now if you move down here, you can see we have the base speed, which is 2.6 as we have here, and then we have the socket 1, which is a one processor which is available, and then these are the number of cores here. So you can see these are the number of cores. It's using 2 cores, and then logical processor is 4, and then we have this our cache here. So we have L1, 2, and 3, 128, 512, and then 3 megabyte. Right, so as you can see, these are just the cores that it's using. So my PC is using 2 cores. So if your PC is using 2 or more, you'd see it highlighted here for if it is 4, 8, 16, 32, either way you are going to have that highlighted here. Basically that is just how easy and simple it is. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.